is my first time to Africa, and I was slightly concerned about safety, and I knew Ghana was quite a stable country.
A lot of the really good reviews were from Ghana, and then I did more research and I found out that it was a really friendly country, pretty safe, so it just seemed like the best place to go to.
I chose Ghana because I was travelling through Europe and I just thought I would come down here and experience West Africa. It's a place I've always wanted to go before.
I wanted to come to Ghana to try a Western African country and travel around and see something different.
I wanted to experience Africa, but I wanted to go somewhere that was quite safe, and I had loads of positive stuff about Ghana.
I was recommended by a friend. The Ghana program was really good, and I wanted to do a construction program.
I think all my life I've had this idea that I'd like to adventure all around the world.
With my medical background, I've just been doing sort of basic wound care and sort of health promotion stuff.
Here in Timuquenta, we've been working with an old widow who didn't have a home before we arrived, and thanks to Eddie and thanks to this program, we've been able to build a home for her.
And the house was sort of mud bricks before, it's kind of falling down. So IVHQ funded to redo this house.
Definitely the people. The people here, they're very friendly, especially in the little town that we're from.
I miss the friendliness, like when you walk down the street, the children just run up to you and hug you even though they don't know you. I mean, where I'm from, people don't do that, and everyone makes you feel really welcome.
The children. It's amazing. I've only been here 10 days and already I've got a close bond with them, so I can't even imagine what it's going to be like in another 6 weeks when I've got to say goodbye.
I'll miss the people being so friendly, because the UK is not friendly compared to these guys here.
The people that I work with have become my father and my brother, and when I leave, I'll be leaving them behind, which is sad.
Just seeing everyone and helping out, really. Doing the work and the scenery.
Come with an open mind, be prepared to live, basically, and to love the kids and put as much effort into loving the kids as possible.
If anyone was looking at coming to Ghana, they should just come straight away, because it's an amazing experience.
Keep an open mind and you'll enjoy it.
You just have to be willing to make sacrifices in order to accomplish what you're here to do.
Just to immerse yourself as much as possible and get involved with as much as you can do, because there's always things to do even if you're not working.
You come here and you see how many things probably need to be fixed in our mind, and so you think that you can't do that, like you can't change the world like you came here to change, but just being here and being integrated and connecting to the kids and the culture is like all the difference to the people that live here.